How to make a DeepSeek account. If you want to try DeepSeek, the ChatGPT alternative, here's how to create your account step by step. Step 1. Open your browser and go to deepseek.com or directly to chat.deepseek.com. Step 2. In the top right corner, click Sign Up. This will take you to the account creation page. Step 3. You can sign up using your Google account, GitHub, or a regular email. If you choose email, enter your address and set a strong password. Step 4. Check your inbox for a verification email from DeepSeek. Click the link inside to activate your account. Step 5. Once verified, go back to chat.deepseek.com, log in, and you can start using DeepSeek right away. No payment or subscription needed. And that's how you make a DeepSeek account in under a minute. Witness and review how it compares to ChatGPT.